All I had left to Mitch was his voice in my head, saying that he was going to meet up with Rico that night.
Ivy, good. You know I got all my niggas looking for the little nigga now, B. Sonny like my little brother too. Anything you need, let me know.
Need you to help me sell these 14 keys so I can get this ransom out of Sonny, man.
You got 14 bricks right there? Put you up, baby.
Yeah, man, but look, once we get my little brother back, right the fuck back, baby, right the fuck back. Once I get something.
These niggas cause they shady. These bitches, they just wanna have my baby. Born in the 80s, crack baby. Mama, she was in the street, so guess who raised me? You motherfucking right, couldn't get it from my mama, so I got it off the block. Been working my whole life, but I ain't never punched the clock. 9 years old, I seen a nigga get shot. Damn. Niggas quick to run their mouth when they get jammed.
We sell these 14 keys so I can
You got 14 bricks right there?
You know what up?
Put you up, baby.
Yeah, man, but look, once we get my little brother back, baby, right the fuck back on, baby, right the fuck back on.
We coming to step on shit, gang. What's up, man?
I don't fuck with these niggas cause they shady. These bitches, they just wanna have my baby. Born in the 80s, crack baby. Mama, she was in the street, so guess who raised me? You motherfucking right, couldn't get it from my mama, so I got it off the block. Been working my whole life, but I ain't never punched the clock. 9 years old, I seen a nigga get shot. Damn. So I got it off the block. Niggas quick to run their mouth when they get jammed. Pussy ass
Nigga telling on this whole fam. What's it?
same nigga that you break your neck for. Be the same nigga that cross you out and wet you up. Wet you up. Be the same nigga that cross you out and wet you up.
In that widow, man. Now, you know, I gotta get the money or the keys, man, to pay this connect back, man. Yo, B, why you ain't call me on that shit, B? You know I would've went with that nigga Mitch and made that shit happen for you, man. I know, man. That's on me. I fucked up.
Be the same nigga that cross you out and wet you up. Be the same nigga that cross you out and wet you up. Be the same nigga that cross you out and wet you up. Be the same nigga that cross you out and wet you up. Supposed to be chasing money, but you chasing bitches. Real bosses don't talk, we just sit back and listen. Stack that paper up and then make boss moves. She like to argue, so I sent that bitch to law school. Keep it real with your dog no matter what. Same bitch decline, she love you, she'll set you up. She love you, she'll decline, she
All I had left to Mitch was his voice in my head, saying that he was going to meet up with Rico that night.
Good. You know I got all my niggas looking for the little nigga now, B. Sonny like my little brother too. Anything you need, let me know.
I need you to help me sell these 14 keys so I can get this ransom out of Sonny, man.
You got 14 bricks right there? Put you up, baby.
Yeah, man, but look, B, once we get my little brother back, man, right the fuck back on, baby, right the fuck back
all I
on.
seen a nigga get shot. Quick to run their mouth when they get jammed. Pussy ass nigga telling on his own fam.
Yo, gang, what's poppin'? Hit the like button, man. Let's go, man.
I got one of my niggas looking for the little nigga now, B. Sonny like my little brother too. Anything you need, let me know.
Baby, 'cause I need your help, baby. I need you to help me sell these
Same nigga that you break your neck for. 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 Be the same nigga that cross you out and wet you up. Supposed to be chasing money, but you chasing bitch. Real bosses don't talk, we just sit back and listen. Stack that paper up and then make boss moves. She like to argue, so I sent that bitch to law school. Keep it real with you, no matter what. Same bitch decline, she love you, she'll set you up. Preach. Now you in these streets, it ain't no such thing as love. Preach. The only thing I trust is this filter and these snub. Preach. Real nigga shit, only when I do speak. If that nigga don't work, he'll fucking leave. I seen the nigga get shot.
The niggas who did that shit can mention me.
Damn. Thought I seen the nigga get shot. Damn. Niggas quick to run they mouth. Damn. Niggas quick to die. Damn. Die. Damn. Niggas die. Damn. Niggas quick to run they mouth when they get jammed. Pussy ass nigga telling on his own fam. Same nigga that you break your neck for. Be the same nigga that cross you out and wet you up. Supposed to be chasing money, but you chasing bitch. Real bosses don't talk, we just sit back and listen. Stack that paper up and then make boss moves. She like to argue, so I sent that bitch to law school. Keep it real with you, dog, no matter what. Same bitch decline, she love you, she'll set you up. She love you, she'll set you up. Now you in these streets, it ain't no such thing as love. The only thing I trust is this
All I had
filter
to
and
do
these
was
snub.
voice in my head, saying that he was gonna meet up with Rico that night.
Real nigga off the block, but worked there on when she was in the street, so guess who raised me?
I got one of my niggas looking for the little nigga now, B.
You
Sonny like my little brother
motherfucking
too.
right,
Anything you
off
need,
the
let me know.
block, but I ain't never up. 9 years old, I seen the nigga get shot.
Some money for Sonny, man.
Get shot. Damn. I seen the nigga get shot. Damn. I seen the nigga get shot. Damn. I seen the nigga get shot. Damn. Niggas quick to run they mouth when they get jammed. Pussy.
What's up, gang? What's up, OTG? I had to put a little remix together for y'all. I hear some people in the box talking about, hey, man, ONAN, what that is right there? I ain't telling y'all my mix. Y'all had to pay me. Fuck that. What's up, gang? Niggas quick to run their mouth when they get jammed. Y'all can hear me out there real good. Let me see. Let me get my microphone screwed up in this bitch. What's up, gang? What's up, man? Let me get my monitor screwed, my mic screwed. All right. How much people in the box? Y'all hit the like button, man. Y'all hit the like button if you in the box tonight. What's up, gang? Everybody know. Y'all see the thumbnail, right? Mitch, Rico, and Ace. I had to put that up because that's what I felt like right now what's going on with this goddamn dog keys. Where the fuck my microphone sound like this, man? Hold on. Mic check, mic check, mic check. All right. Yeah, mic check. All right. Yeah, so we had to put that up on the board, man. Hit the like button. What the like set right now? Now y'all see the Scorpion unit going to trial now. Everybody see the Scorpion unit out there going to trial, right? Everybody paying attention to the Scorpion unit. Niggas quick to run their mouth when they get jammed. All right. Part 2 of the Betrayal, which I think is the Betrayal. Now, I see a lot of y'all. I seen the videos. I ain't discrediting nobody right now, but I'm going to just tell y'all like this. I don't give a fuck who Unc is. So don't come telling me. All right? I don't care. We done been through this. I do not care. You're going to find out when the people go to court. They ain't going to do us no justice right now. We ain't getting no justice trying to find out who damn Unc is. I mean, we did. We tried. Ain't nobody know for sure. We going to have to let them tell us. Right and wrong. Give me thumbs up. Right or wrong now. Just right or wrong. I already told you who I believe it is. But I ain't going to be bouncing from place to place because I'm on the betrayal. I'm following the money. I'm following the money, bro. Maybe it might all tie back into that situation, but let them handle that. Who putting out them stories about that? That's their story. ONAN got his story. I'm following the money, bro. If you find out who it is, what the fuck you gonna make a difference in? I had to realize that when I was looking for the Unc character, that the Unc character don't serve me no purpose. Because right now, if y'all all want to look at it, on Fox News, right? If you all want to look at this shit, pay attention to this, right? Since they come up with the word Unc. Now, I ain't going to say it just because there's, Shannon Sharp, such and such. Jeremy P. have been doing this a lot right here, right? Look, Jeremy P. have been doing this shit a lot. Unc won't be disciplined by ESPN at the all. Now, if you go to his page, right, and you go to search, right here, and you put in the word Unc, he has been using this word nonstop. Unc getting married. I got a new aunt. Good morning. Back of faith. Walking again. Live on Fox. Unc. He keep on using this word. Unc and nephew. Holding it down. The young Dolph needs the broad bring have the procession is heated. Young Dolph will be laid to rest. Come on now, Unc. Why you doing that? Look how much time this man using the word Unc. I mean, slinging that shit around like ain't nothing. Got Unc on a dry shirt. Do you know the word Unc is hot right now? You using this shit like it's some toilet tissue on a nigga ass or something. So y'all better pay attention to what this man doing. Unc, look at this. Cornelius Smith. This man using the word Unc a whole lot. A whole lot. Look like Big Unc need his Unc. What? Look like Big Unc need his Unc. What the fuck is you talking about, Jeremy? Hey, listen here, man. Everybody fucking Unc. Look how much. Why y'all think a newsman using the word Unc so much? Look like Big Unc need his Unc. So what you talking about, Daddy? Who the fuck? You try to say Joke McCall Unc. Bullshit. Where's the uncle? I'm beginning to think this. Look at this. Unc with 1017 on it. This man been making Unc posts since Dolph died, since the day of that court. I officially hit Unc status 3 days ago, trying to throw the word around Unc on everybody so everybody can just think the word Unc is so common. Unc, 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 Unc. The man got Unc down there in every fucking picture. So this is a distraction for you little slow people out there. All right? He calling everybody Unc to throw y'all off. This is why they won't tell them nothing. Now y'all know, anytime Jeremy go straight drop go to court, right? He always cover that shit. Old straight drop going to court today, blah, 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 blah. Why the fuck he ain't covering straight drop trial right now? Why is he not covering straight drop trial right now? They got a fucking AI on it. Every time everybody Uncle Shannon, Uncle, look like big Unc, need his big Unc, little Unc, side Unc, my Unc, everybody Unc. Y'all pay attention to what this clown doing. He trying to make it look like everybody Unc. Give me a thumbs up in the box if you caught that. Y'all see how obvious this shit is? Do y'all see how obvious this shit is? Is it me? Am I going crazy? Or do y'all understand this? I'm sitting here showing y'all what's going on here. That's why Fox call them people and they won't give them no information on Govan. Because of this dude right here. Keep calling them people Unc and shit. Y'all see this? When you ever see a newscaster sling around a word Unc like this in such a very high profile case? Everybody Unc. He trying to make it look like Unc, 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 Unc. Look at this man say, look like Unc need his Unc. What the fuck is going on here? Is this professional? Look like Unc need his Unc? These niggas think we crazy. They think we crazy. They think we are insane. Hit the like button. What a like said. I better have 300 likes in here, please. Y'all see how smart we are, right? We, and I use the word we. Look like Unc need his Unc. October the 18th, 2021. Not even 1 month after Dolph murder. 1 month, October, November, 1 month before. This was posted up 1 month before Dolph murder. Do y'all see what? You say ONAN giving them too much credit. Are you crazy? Do you know Jeremy is the one that released the pictures to Pointer? Are you crazy? He the one released the photos, the fake photos. Hey, Pointer, the point niner, whatever your name is. Hey, listen, let me tell you something. The lame nigga say he just been to the cookie shop. The lame nigga say he been standing in line with the lady who gets shoot in the white truck. The lame nigga is friends with them people. The lame nigga, you can call him lame all you want. That don't mean a lame nigga won't sell your ass to the grave. We ain't underestimating shit over here. And we don't do that type of talk over here. All right? We don't do that type of talk over here. We done cover this. You ain't gonna come into my box and tell me what the fuck Jeremy doing. Go sit down somewhere, man. And put you a timeout. Go ahead on timeout and come back when you get your fucking mind right. You're a distraction right now. You ain't telling me shit you know, because if you telling me something you know, tell me you know he released them fucking photos from Ronisha. Tell me that, smart ass. Tell me that. Tell me what you know. Don't come up in here with that bullshit now. I'm going to sling you out here. I'm going to sling you out here now. Coming here trying to fucking distract a nigga with that bullshit about Jeremy. Jeremy fucking know what he doing. Jeremy frat brother is Art Horn. Jeremy been tied up in this fucking case since day one. Y'all fucking crazy. Jeremy been the first one to report on Dolph murder. Damn lame. Jamie, that fucking lame you talking about been the first one to report on Dolph murder. He turned around to come back to that murder scene. Shut your ass up. Shut your ass up. Trying to come in here. Why the fuck you think Fox ain't, the prosecutor office ain't want to tell them people nothing? Why the fuck this man using the word out 30 times in one sentence? Get your ass up out of here, man. You ain't fucking with no dummy, homeboy. Fuck out of here. Just like True Results walked up in the cookie shop and recorded. If ONAN had did that, they would have had a warrant on my ass. Why True Results ain't locked up for going in the cookie shop when they've been remodeling the cookie shop and filming them people shit, questioning the contractors, all that shit, and he ain't in jail? He's not in jail. You know Raven them don't play that shit. Raven mom and their family. You walk on them people premises, record them people shit, and put it on the internet, and your ass ain't in jail? Who the fuck you working with? Who the fuck you working with, old boy? Y'all motherfuckers slow. Y'all can't see? If ONAN had did that shit, ONAN would have been under the jail. ONAN would have been under the jail for walking in that cookie shop and recording the people while that shit ain't been open. Who the fuck get to do that without going to jail? That's trespassing, homie. Trespassing on people's property. Recording their shit, invading their privacy, questioning their contractors. Your ass going to jail. Your ass going to jail. And y'all over there watching that goddamn crackhead with that bullshit. Go put up a picture I put with them niggas on the roof trying to discredit me. Nigga, get your chip too fast out here. You ain't half as smart as me. Nigga, I done forgot more than you will ever know. A distraction. This the same nigga say they shoot him with a Mamio shirt on. Same nigga say he find a tag on the side of the road. With that block. Man, y'all crazy. Y'all insane, bro. Y'all insane, bro. Let me ask you a question. If ONAN had walked in the cookie shop with a camera and recorded them, where would I be? Where would I be right now? Where would I be if I walked in the cookie shop and recorded them contractors when none of them people been there without their consent? Where would ONAN be? How the fuck you get so much privilege? 2 days in a row. You ain't did it one time. Nigga, you did it 2 times. You did it 2 times, nigga. You ain't did it one time. You did it 2 times. Memphis, wake up. Memphis, wake up. Memphis. Nobody gets to walk on them people's property while they're closed. Record their shit and question their contractors and not being 201 popular. It don't happen like that. So somebody sent him to get their videos and put it up there. Somebody sent him to do that. He had permission to do that shit, bro. He had permission to do that shit, yeah. Anybody try that shit, you going to jail. You cannot step foot on a property while it's closed, under construction, and go in there and record them people's shit and question them people, you going to jail. Facts. Everybody agree with me? Give me a thumbs up. So we know who working for who. Funny how I put up the picture with them boy on the roof, right? I put up the picture with them boy on the roof. This man got my picture on his shit, trying to discredit my shit, laughing and kicking like this some funny shit, right? Them boy on the roof of the Dairy Queen, they got my shit up there, laughing like this a joke. Like, look, they've been under construction right here, right? Nigga laughing like I telling a lie on these people, right? You got motherfuckers on the roof right here. Motherfucker got the nerve to put my shit up here. Talking about like this shit. Trying to strike this shit down like this don't mean that. Does that sound like somebody who wants justice for Dolph? When Marcus said out his own mouth, them people shooting off the roof, and everybody told me he been crazy? Huh? Let me ask you a question. The man act like I make this bitch up. This shit come from a news video. How can you make this up? But you over there trying to, ONAN gang. I don't want to see nobody from my gang over there, bro. I'm sick of these distractions with the dog kids. Okay? Y'all, nobody walks in the cookie shop, records their shop under construction, while the workers there question them, and they're not in jail. That don't happen, bro. Don't you know Raven them would have had that boy under the jailhouse? But he got the white boy saying, nobody couldn't come through this back door because he got a lock on it. He got a lock on it. So that benefited Raven them. So they let that shit ride because they sent his clown ass in there to do that. He ain't take no pictures of the ceilings, no cameras, no nothing. He looking at bullet hole and back door. Talking about exclusive content. Then you laying up in court with Govan, recording him in the fucking lobby and shit. Talk about, if you get jammed up, don't mention my name. Fuck you gonna mention your name for? Oh, you must be involved. If Raven had ONAN walked in that cookie shop and did what that blogger did, I would have been in jail for trespassing and some more shit. Who all believe that? Shit, you can ask Raven. Raven to tell you that. Raven said, I dare him to step foot on this bitch while he closed. And if Raven to tell you, I'll lock ONAN ass up. So ask Raven why she ain't locked true results up. Fake results. Ask Raven why she ain't locked fake results up. Fake results, he ain't going to jail. Fake results and Scope been the only ones able to walk in there and do that. And we know Scope worked for him. So ask her why she ain't put him in jail. Her family ain't put him in jail for trespassing and being on their premises doing that bullshit. Find out that first, Memphis, before y'all go watching videos over there. Y'all come back and tell me why he ain't in jail. Yeah. Okay. I thought so. I thought so. I fucking thought so. Everybody got your fucking mind right now? Because I own this Julio. And you know this Julio gonna make me tell the truth, right? I'm gonna tell the truth all night tonight. I got some paperwork, part 2 of Daddy-O Betrayal, a Fatty-O Betrayal, a Young Dolph family. Now, I want y'all to listen to this. This is a little mix I put together right before the video shoot, right? I mean, right before this video, I put this song together for y'all to listen to. And I want you to pay attention to this.
Metro the producer. Metro the producer.
All I had left to Mitch was just a voice in my head saying that he was gonna meet up with Rico that night.
Good. You know I got all my niggas looking for the little nigga now, B. Sonny like my little brother too. Anything you need, let me know.
Look at baby, because I need your help, baby. I need you to help me sell these 14 keys so I can get this ransom money for Sonny back.
You got 14 bricks right there?
14 bricks right there. You got 14 bricks right there in that bag right there. Mia J. Oh, Lord, Mia J put up pitiful on her shit. And I ain't never gonna forget this. Mia J put this up. This what inspired me to do this tonight. Mia J said she put this up about Rico is and all of it. That's my alarm going off. Front door. Now check this out. She put that shit up. And she talked shit while she put it up too. All right? And it was a beautiful thing that she put this up. So that means she's speaking indiscreetly, I hope, but I can only guess that. But it was put up, and it damn sure was put up for a fucking reason. It damn sure was put up for a reason. Everybody hit the like button. I ain't putting no paperwork till the likes get where it's at. So y'all don't, how much the likes is, y'all gonna keep looking at this until the lights come on. And then she put up something else. Juice. She put up the movie Juice right here with Tupac in him. She put that up. That's why I say he wanted all the juice. But this was the kicker right here. Okay, so right here. Ooh, this was the kicker.
You be alright, nigga.
This was the kicker right here. This was set the night off right here. This was set it off. So, I want y'all to look at this for a second. This is what I want y'all to look at. And before we get into the people, I need y'all to get the likes up. As soon as y'all get the likes up, I'll start the paperwork. Or if not, I'll take the shit to Patreon. So y'all got fucking 3 minutes, bro. Y'all got 3 minutes to start fucking playing with me. Or we gonna call it a day over here. And we gonna go open up Patreon. I'm not playing tonight. Not fucking playing tonight.
Metro the producer. Metro the producer.
All I had left to Mitch was just a voice in my head saying that he was gonna meet up with Rico that night.
Good. You know I got all my niggas looking for the little nigga now, B. Sonny like my little brother too. Anything you need, let me know.
Look at baby, because I need your help, baby. you to help me sell these 14 keys so I can get this ransom money for Sonny, man.
You got 14 bricks right there?
Yeah.
Put you a fake?
Yeah, man, but look, once we get my little brother back, man, we right the fuck back on, baby. We right the fuck back on once I get Sonny. It's gonna be really...
Y'all get the likes up. I'ma bring the paperwork, man. Y'all got to the song go out, dog. I ain't playing.
I don't fuck with these niggas cause they shady. These bitches, they just wanna have my baby. Born in the 80s, crack baby. Mama, she was in the street, so guess who?
Justice for Dolph. It's coming to an end, y'all. Let's go.
Fucking right, couldn't get it from my mama, so I got it off the block. Been working my whole life, but I ain't never punched the clock. 9 years old, I seen a nigga get shot. Damn. Niggas quick to run their mouth when they get jammed. Pussy ass nigga telling on his own fam. The same nigga that you break your neck for. Be the same nigga that cross you out and wake you up. Supposed to be chasing money, but you chasing bitches. Real bosses don't talk, we just sit back and listen. Stack that paper up and then make boss moves. She like to argue, so I sent that bitch to law school. Same bitch decline, she love you, she'll set you up.
All I had left to me was voice in her head.
The only thing I trust is this pistol and these slugs.
If that nigga don't work, he a fucking leech.
Good. You know I got all my niggas looking for the little nigga man, boy. Sonny like my little brother too. Anything you need, let me know.
Zay got the motherfucking bass thumping. Dolph got the motherfucking trap jumping. Doors to the trap open. Now I see something. Hell no, don't ask. I ain't frontin' nothing.
Y'all hit them super seconds on them like, so let's go now. Dog just give town with 200 down. No just for the 8 in a 2-liter pot.
They say Dolph addicted to these streets just like it's box.
Addicted to hustling, I can't stop.
Won't stop, can't stop. Never hear me complain about what I ain't got. Cause if I want it, I'ma go get it.
Free my nigga, yo, did it.
Same nigga you getting high with, he really your enemy. Every day niggas cross their partners out for Benjamin. Every day niggas cross their partners out for Benjamin. Partners out for Benjamin. Enemy. Every day niggas cross their partners out for Benjamin. Enemy. Every day niggas cross their partners out for Benjamin. 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 Niggas cross their partners out for Benjamin.
Free.
Same bitch decline, she love you, she'll set you up. Free. Only thing I trust is this pistol and these slugs.
Work, he a fucking leech.
Yeah, I gave Mitch a set of keys to get Sonny back, man. I know he had the fucking keys in there with him. Now, you know, I gotta get the money or the keys, man, to pay this commit back, man.
Oh yeah, let's go, gang. We on one tonight, man. Everybody in this old there, gang, y'all turn the fuck up right now. Man, we on one, man.
I know, man, that's on me, I fucked up.
I got what you want, man. I got that juice, man. You got that black and white, man. Hey, Fatty O, report your ass to the principal office, nigga. That nigga been on some blow shit, man. Some peer and foe shit, man. Some state property shit, man. Some cross a nigga out shit, man. Some step on a nigga for that skrilla, man. That backdoor shit, man. He wanted all the juice. He wanted all the juice. On some Tupac shit, man.
All I had left to Mitch was his voice in my head, saying that he was gonna meet up with Rico that night.
All I had is Dolph voice in my head. Say he been going to the cookie shop, nigga. The most underrated nigga in the world, man.
Sonny like my little brother too. Anything you need, let me know.
Let me know, man.
I need your help, babe. I need you to help
You
me
got
save these 14
bricks in that bag?
Just bring some money for Sonny, man.
You got 14 bricks right there.
Yeah.
Hit you up.
14 bricks in that bag, nigga.
Once we get my little brother back, man, we right the fuck back on, baby. We right the fuck back on. Once I get Sonny, it's gonna be business.
Yeah. What's up, gang? What the like say? Alright. Now, either y'all fucking hit the like button or we take it to Patreon. Because what we doing right now is we eliminate all the bullshit. We trying to find the motive. The motive. Man, Fatty O. Man, Fatty O. Man. Money make you do some crazy things sometimes. Money make you do some crazy shit sometimes. Now, me and Jay had to basically fight for a motion to quash, meaning, you know, to try to take away or disrupt what Daddy O doing to the estate of Dolph. But see, on an estate, I don't think you could sue an estate. So, me and Jay fighting back, right? Me and Jay fighting back. She fighting back. So, this leads me to believe that something else going on. So, look at this. This is paperwork that we paid for. What the like say? This is what I don't get. All right, so when y'all see this right here, y'all see capacity administrator of estate of Adolph Thornton, blank, blank, hereby submits the following memorandum to points authorities in support of Geraldine's motion to quash the summons and complete for lack of personal jurisdiction. From Super Blue Hearts and them. So Mia saying she want a motion to quash Hit the like. What the like say? 365. Y'all fucking with me now. All right, I got a trick for you. Let's go to Patreon. I gave y'all time enough. Y'all fucking playing with me. So it's time to go. Who got a membership on Patreon? Give me a motherfucking thumbs up. In the box right now. Who all got a membership on Patreon? I try to be nice to you niggas. And y'all just don't want to do right. So, I'm going to make you pay to do right. All right. Well, check this out. Factual background. Plaintiffs to the ND cannot allege any facts to support the exercise of jurisdiction over Geraldine in California. As such, plaintiff claims that Geraldine failed as a member of law and no act of Geraldine can be linked to the plaintiff claims. The necessary substantial link between any act by Geraldine in California, there are none. So plaintiff alleges that defendant blank in her capacity as administrator of the estate of Dolph is an individual residing in blank 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 serving as administrator of Thornton, a deceased individual. In regard to the December 14 blank filed a petition of that administration of the probate petition to the probate court in Georgia, blah blah blah, which identified her as the the estate holder of Dolph. So Mia saying, I'm just a part of the estate. Estate don't mean you own that shit. Don't mean you own it. All right, so this is what I don't get. All right, Robert Thornton Jr. was, whose place of Dulcimer was blank, 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 departed his life November 17th. Declaration of Jeremiah, okay, following the probate court. And they had an order appointed administrator, and it is so ordered. So the plaintiff seek declaratory relief from her. So the plaintiff superhard says a lender in the promissory note in the amount of $6,380,000 executed by the borrower's plaintiff's LLC and their fees. So the $6 million they borrowed from Dolph. And the document number, right. So plaintiff alleged that they are unable to foreclose, sell the property foreclosed. So Daddy and them say they are unable to foreclose because there's a mutual mistake contained on the first page of the deed in trust. So all this is about them wanting to foreclose the dispensary. Now everybody know what foreclose mean, put it in the box. So Daddy-O suing them, Mia estate, because they want to foreclose. Sell the motherfucker, right? Foreclose meaning sell, right? They want to foreclose on the deal. So if they want to foreclose, they cannot foreclose because they say it's a mistake that Dolph is the one that was the borrower. So they want to sell and they can't sell because Mia estate, little Dolph won't sign. Ain't this getting juicy? So Daddy or them trying to sell. But who they gonna sell to? Right back to themselves. Right back to themselves, y'all. Them niggas gonna sell right back to themselves. Under another LLC. On the bullshit. So they trying to get it out of his name so they can sell it. Everybody understand that? Give me a thumbs up. They trying to sell the dispensaries and they can't sell it because they ain't got, they're talking about it's a mistake on a deed in trust. Why the fuck it ain't been a mistake when Dolph signed it? Oh man, Fatty-O full of shit. Fatty-O full of shit, bro. Fatty-O don't want to sell right back to themselves to get it out of all of their name. The Rita, the sister, Dolph, and everybody. So is this not the back door? Now you want to sell it. Why y'all want to sell the factories y'all just get? Oh, y'all ain't making no profit? All that marijuana pushing? Y'all ain't making no profit. Get the fuck out of here. There you go. They say they want to sell it. They can't, they're unable to foreclose on the property. So they can't sell because Dolph is the lender and he holding the deed. A deed of trust conveys title to real property. So Dolph got the title from the truster debtor to a third party trustee to secure the payment of a debt. So Dolph got the title securing his money that he invested to the debt owed, to the beneficiary creditor under a promissory note. So they got to get his name off so they can sell it. The customary provision of the valid deed of trust include a power of sale clause, which empowers the beneficiary creditor to foreclose on the real property security if the truster debtor fails to pay back the debt owed. So they owe him the money. They can't sell. So Jenkins versus JP Morgan, alleged owner other, is not alleged to the beneficiary creditor, has no legal ability to foreclose on the property. So JP Morgan can't foreclose because Dolph hold the title. Everybody understand? So Daddy-O trying to get Dolph's name off the property so he can sell it. Thumbs up if y'all understanding this. Jason Mack talking about, I'm still alive. I own pre. Hashtag young Dolph. If you Dolph, oh well, we fighting for you too, nigga. So don't worry about it. Just give me my check, nigga. That's all you do, Jason Mack. That's all. He outshined his teacher. That's all. So, they trying to sell the property and can't get it out. So, what they saying right here is this. Specifically, plaintiff alleged that the deed of trust incorrectly lists Adolph Thornton, an individual, as one of the beneficiaries instead of the actual lender, which he's the lender and beneficiary of the company in which Mr. Thornton was a member, who is the true beneficiary, Super Blue Heart. So they saying he's a lender, one of the, instead of the actual lender. And he's a member. No, he's the chief executive, who is the true beneficiary. Plaintiff Super Blue Heart's complaint. So specifically, the plaintiffs allege that the deed of trust incorrectly lists Adolph Thornton, an individual, as one of the beneficiaries. Instead of the actual lender and the company, he's the actual lender and company in which Mr. Thornton was a member. He's the lender and the member, who is the true beneficiary of Super Blue Hearts LLC, with him and Rita on and Daddy. In support of this allegation, plaintiff's complaint includes a Shriver's affidavit where attorney Kenneth Burt acknowledged the words Adolph Thornton, an individual, appearing in the introductory paragraph of the deed and trust as a named beneficiary, were drafted by him in error. So the lawyer talking about, oh, that was an error, and that the name should be replaced with the name of other actual lender and true beneficiary under the deed of trust, which is Super Blue Hearts, which Daddy-O got in his name now. They trying to backdoor rob this nigga. Backdoor rob his kids, bro. Oh, man. In the sum, plaintiff alleges that all parties to the deed of trust intend that Super Blue Hearts LLC, rather than Mr. Thornton, be listed as a beneficiary thereunder, and unless the deed of trust is reformed, plaintiffs are unable to complete non-judicial foreclosure of the subject property. So they can't sell it because Dolph is the lender and the beneficiary. Y'all think Dolph's stupid? Do y'all think Dolph's stupid after reading this? Do y'all think Dolph's stupid after reading this? Dolph had this shit lined up to where if them niggas had killed him, they wasn't gonna get his kids' investment. They already done run off with the houses, the studio, the label, all that. But Dolph had this shit set up where he invested $8 million in. Dolph knew he was the beneficiary and the lender. So, under the California Code, Jardine may move to quash the service of summons on the ground of lack of jurisdiction of the court over him or her. It has long been established that the 14th Amendment limits the personal jurisdiction of state courts. Okay? Jardine is a moving party. Plaintiffs bear the initial burden to demonstrate by a preponderance of the evidence that the exercise of jurisdiction in California over Jardine is proper. The plaintiff must provide affidavits and all of this shit over the evidence. So, y'all see what's going on here. Right? Hold on. So, right here, insufficient to satisfy the burden of proof declarations, which Daddy-O declaration cannot be mere vague assertions and ultimate facts, but must be specific evidentiary facts to the court from independent. So if only a burden is met, the defendant to demonstrate an assumption of jurisdiction would be unreasonable. Here are the allegations in the plaintiff's complaint. Specific to Jardine is that she is an individual residing in blank blank and serving as administrator of Dolph Thornton, and the deceased individual. Complaint. The allegation is insufficient to impose a court's jurisdiction on non-resident Jardine, and moreover, as noted above, legal proceedings to the estate of Robert Thornton Jr. have been and continue to take place in the probate court. Accordingly, plaintiff cannot establish that this court, either general or specific, has jurisdiction over Jardine. Dolph was smart. Dolph made sure that if something happened to him, they couldn't steal his shit from his kids. So the courts lack jurisdiction over her because it's not her homestead. So it's not her homestead. So let's go right here. Plaintiff cannot establish specific jurisdiction over Jardine. Plaintiff also fails to allege facts sufficient to Jardine to this court specific jurisdiction. The court lacks specific jurisdiction over Jardine because plaintiff claims for declaratory relief and reformation of the deed of trust do not arise out of any context that Jardine had within California. California long-arm statute grants courts empowered to assert this. So with regard to the exercise of this, basically Mia Jade does not have residence or anything in California. So they can't do that. All right? And they're trying to say it's a mistake. So right here, you're seeing this. Jardine anticipates plaintiffs will argue that this court has jurisdiction because Jardine is not being sued in her individual capacity, but is being sued in her capacity as administrator of the estate of Dolph. So this nigga suing Dolph kids. Fatio suing Dolph kids. Instead of you worrying about who killed Dolph, you trying to steal from his kids, allegedly. Fatio. Trying to steal. You worrying about money instead of revenge. Ain't that something you get killed, right? Your right-hand man suing your family and shit. And you dead. They ain't trying to get no get back for you. But they worrying about suing your family. Your kids. The estate is not a legal entity and neither is a natural or artificial person. It is merely a name to indicate the sum total of assets and liabilities of the decedent. An estate can neither sue nor be sued under this case law. Consequently, the law will prohibit plaintiffs naming the estate of Robert Thornton as a defendant. Second, the probate or trust estate is not a legal entity. It is simply a collection of assets and liabilities as such, has no capacity to sue or be sued. So you can't even sue the estate, right? Or defend an action. Any litigation must be maintained or by against the execution or personal representative of the estate, Smith versus this. Consequently, to the extent of the plaintiff seek any relief against the estate of Robert Thornton Jr., they must do so against the executor or personal representative of the estate. Jeremiah, however, as discussed above, the court has no jurisdiction over her. So Fatio trying to sue this man. Now that's Mia complaint, right? Now, let's go to his complaint. It's an opposition to strike it. So let's hear the answer from Daddy-O's side about why they should be allowed to do this. So the defendant motion to quash service of summons and complaint merely misses the mark. Plaintiffs do not need to establish personal jurisdiction over the administrator. Jeremiah. All right. Her personal contacts of California lack are relevant. Jeremiah is sued in this declaratory relief action only in her name admitted capacity as the administrator of the estate of this, who passed in November of 21. It is Thornton's ample business relationship to form that determines this. Erroneous deed of trust. The current DOT mistakenly lists Thornton's individually as one of the secured party beneficiaries, but the intended beneficiary, quite obviously from the surrounding factual circumstances and signed contracts. Limited liability, he formed and operated with his business partner, Mr. Moore, which is called Super Blue Hearts, who made a warehouse investment as a secure lender under a secure promissory note and all this. Thornton personally, not only Super Blue Heart secure lender, but Thornton unsurprisingly made Super Blue Heart the party to every related transaction or ownership contract pertaining to the overall business deal, including the member and the two related. So they trying to get rid of Dolph name, bro. Y'all see this bullshit. This is why you listen to the Mitch and Ace shit. So they say his business partner so this is what they're saying. So they're saying in early 21, the decedent and his music business industry partner, Bank Moore, Fadio, mutually decided to invest in a business opportunity in California that involved purchasing, renovating, and operating a warehouse, blah, 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 blah. And in the declaration, Mr. Moore, warehouse is situated jurisdiction of this court. Though Thornton and Moore formed the company 50-50, which they named Super Blue Hearts, combination from proceeds of their partnership and Moore's funds. Moore and Thompson pooled $3.1 million in direct to be used as Super Blue to partially fund the purchase of this property. So you should call Blue's 3.1 investment as well as those other investments, Super Blue into a promissory note. Moore emailed to Attorney Burt. Thornton signed it. Not Thornton. Super Blue Hearts is secured, not Thornton. Dolph put his name there because that's Dolph said this is my fucking money. So then Daddy was trying to say, yeah, a dead man can't fight this. So why you wait till the nigga been dead to do this? Like, a dead man can't fight what he put on there. So, gang, y'all see. Y'all know what time it is. Everybody in the box know what time it is, right? Look at this. Daddy trying to say it was a mistake. Dolph shouldn't have been the single owner or promissory note lender. When Dolph said this shit out of his own fucking mouth. Out of his own mouth. This is what Dolph said. Out of his own mouth. And Daddy trying to say it's a lie.
Really? What? Can you explain further, like?
Right. Block for no reason.
You got a
block right now.
Oh.
Block got some shit going on. He cooked a week or two cooking food. You know what I'm saying? I invested $8 million in 2 separate companies. You know what I mean? He can go do some shit with one. He can go shoot some movies or something.
Okay.
He can go,
Nice.
like, I just, like, over the pandemic, I invested in two
two major companies. You know what I'm saying? I invested $8 million in two separate companies.
Dolph
You know what I
said,
mean?
look.
He can go do some shit with one. Like, it's other little shit to do. He can do.
Dolph said he invested $8 million, not Daddy-O. Listen to this. Him.
Yeah, like what else you making money?
Other shit, you know what I'm saying? Like, he can go shoot some movies or something.
Okay.
He can go,
Nice.
like, I just, like, over the pandemic, I invested in two major companies. You know what I'm saying? I invested $8 million.
$8 million. So how the fuck, if he invested $8 million, why Daddy-O say, oh, not the majority of money but mine? Man, stop that shit. Stop. Daddy-O, you ain't had no more money than fucking Dolph. Who believe Daddy-O been richer than Dolph? Come on in the box, Memphis. Tell me. Do y'all think Daddy-O, give me a thumbs up, Daddy-O had more money than Dolph? Daddy-O might have been a teacher, but the student passed the teacher. Come on. Daddy-O ain't had no more money than Dolph. Bullshit. Dolph been past his ass. When Dolph get in that rap game, that been different money. Getting 70 and 30,000, 50,000 a show. Daddy-O ain't been up on that stage. Hell no. Dolph said, I invested $8 million. Man, what the fuck? My phone going crazy. You trying to tell me Daddy-O had more money than Dolph? Bullshit. Drug money and rap money, two different money.
Like, over the pandemic, I invested in two major companies. You know what I'm saying? I invested $8 million in two
$8 million.
Separate companies.
In two separate companies.
You know what I mean? He can go do some shit with one, like,
$8 million.
It's up.
So if he invested $8 million, what the fuck that mean? What the fuck that mean?
Other than shit to do, he can do in like real estate. He can like any
real estate. Ask the Mongols where the money at. Ask the Mongols. Ask Low C, Gregory, where Dolph House is at. Let's kick this out. Low C, Gregory, and Daddy-O, where Dolph House is at. Where is Dolph property at? Real estate Mongols. Let's get down to the business. Memphis. Ask that Fatio and the real estate goofies. Where's Dolph houses at? Let's start right there. Where is Dolph houses at? All that property Dolph had. Where that's at? He invested with them. These niggas going on trips to Paris and all kind of shit. The dude said, he said, Dolph bailed me out of a sticky situation. Dude said, Dolph helped me. When I've been down, you invested with me. You invested with me. You made me when I was down enough. You came in and saved the company. Right? Y'all remember that. Because a lot of y'all don't know that. Because a lot of y'all ain't in my books. But when Dolph died, this dude said that. He said that. Now I'm going to show y'all something right here. This dude, they took advantage of Dolph, I believe. They took advantage of Dolph. That's just what I believe. I ain't saying it's true. But they need to find out with Dolph property. Memphis ought to be ashamed of themselves. And low see them and these goofy ass niggas get off with this man bag. With this man bag, them folk goddamn, them folk robbed the shit out of a dead man. Allegedly. Robbed the shit out of dead man. Now, the man said, I'm going to forever be grateful. I'm going to forever be grateful to Dolph for what he did for me. Right? That's what he said. Now, he may have taken this down off his page. Or whatever. Right here. Look at this. This man said, my brother, this was one of the hardest losses for me. One of the realest family-oriented people I ever met. We shared a bunch of things in common. We was hustlers, business-minded, had morals. Same nigga he invested with in the dispensaries, right? When C introduced us, I think this was what I connected to you with the most. Because he fucked with Gotti too. I looked up to you and you had accomplished over time. I had known I was proud to be your friend. I really couldn't imagine losing you this way so early. So much left to do in your life. I would never let you win in the game and beat you out all your money. Well, not all your money, but you know what I mean. Cause start practicing and beating me. In the beginning, we traveled. Kicked it with each other. Birthday holidays. We went from renting Wraiths to buying them Rolls Royces and all this shit. Right? Then he said, I made an investment in this company. When they got in trouble, you came in and invested with me. Helped me save the whole project. Definitely forever grateful for you, my G. First time ever cried in a long time. So where the fuck his money at? And his kids. Man, I couldn't have been dog partner, man. I'd have been rounding these niggas' ass up, man. Straight up, man. I'd have been rounding these niggas' ass up. Especially this little CMG ass nigga here. He fucked with Gotti too. He fucked with Gotti too. He fucked with Gotti too. These old backstabbing ass niggas, man. Backstabbing ass niggas, man. ONAN following the money. Fuck who Unc is. Fuck who been involved. Fuck that fake ass cookie scene. Fuck all them cookie people. Fuck all that. Let's get down to the money. Let's get down to who ran off with what. Let's get down to who ran off with what. And then you got your answer. Which way did he go, George? Which way did he go? Which way did he go, George? Which way did he go? All you gotta do is follow the money. And you got Dolph motive for his murder. Them folk ran off with the property, trying to sell the dispensaries, suing Mia J and the churn, ain't talking to Marcus. Fatty O got some nerve, boy. Fatty O ain't shit. And I mean that. Fatty O ain't shit, bro. But see, the police let us know Fatty O been involved. Because they said, when Teasy get hit, they say, paper route responsible for Teasy murder. So they tell us, Fatty O been cleaning up, allegedly. The mastermind ain't go van. I believe the mastermind is Fatty O. The mastermind of Dolph assassination, I believe, is Fatty O. And the fucking Three Stooges. Because they had more to gain than anybody. And for them to do it, they would gain the most. And everybody wanted Dolph out the way. So it was a win-win-win situation all the way around the board. For CMG, get him out the way for the music. Get him out the way for the Gotti. Get him out the way for Black Youngster. Get him out so they can take over. Daddy-O run off with all the bag. And the end. The end. Daddy-O already connected to his ops. The man I get shoot up in California, Charlotte, all that shit. The end. It was a win-win for everybody. And the only person that could pull this off is a nigga right next to Dolph. Only person that could betray him to the grave. And Dolph said it. It be the same nigga that you love and break bread with or cross you out. Dolph been telling you in the music. Fatty-O ain't shit. The same nigga that say he love you, he'll set you up, preach. Out here in the streets, there ain't no such thing as love. Dolph say the only thing I trust is the pistol and these slugs. Fatty-O don't mean even call Marcus and say you all right. Them boy got the label. Them boy got the dispensary. Them boy got the artists. Them boy got the houses. The Mongols got the houses. Them boy got everything. Mia got stakes in that, but they got everything. Daddy-O name on everything. Then all of a sudden, Rita beat cancer and she just died. Anybody want to tell me how Rita died? Anybody want to tell me how Rita passed away? Only 3 names been on that paper on one of them. Azaria, his sister been on that one. But Rita just beat cancer and then passed away right after that. And then there's only 3 people naming it. So Rita passed away, Dolph passed away, and then he moved to this right here. He moves to the executive on Super Blue Hearts. Both of the members died, and he ain't up on the top of the list. Now he won't say, oh, it's a mistake. Dolph name should come off, and it should be us. No, fuck no. You can't prove that. You can't prove that, nigga. So, this was the ultimate backdoor. Dolph had a lot of money, these niggas been jealous. Dolph had passed all their ass, talking shit to their ass, and them niggas couldn't take it. So I guess it been more convenient to knock him off, make it look like it was his ops, and everybody win. Knock him off, make it look like it's his ops, and everybody win. You did CMG a favor. You did Jay-Z a favor, allegedly. You did yourself a favor. And now you got all the bag. Joke ain't up there. Black Youngster hiding. And these niggas get the houses. These niggas get the money, the cars, the record label. And then they got nerve to sue this man kids for his estate and his stake in his $8 million that he put up. I'm tired of bullshitting. Then they got nerve to want to go after Mia J and the church. Now, Mia been fucked up. At first, Mia don't know she involved, don't know none of that. But what I can tell you is this. She gave them people money. Maybe her little green ass ain't know no better. I don't know. But now they suing Mia and the church. Now Mia saying, damn, ONAN been right all the time. ONAN told me this shit. And I ain't listen till I get hit with this motherfucking lawsuit. Everything I told y'all, I even told it to her. Fatty-O is who you need to be looking Now it's manifested. And I feel sorry for her because she got hit with that bass. How low can you go, OTG? She got hit with that bass, dog. Now she like, fuck. That little nigga was right the whole time. He was right the whole time. He told me it's Fatty that made this shit happen. Now, I forgive anybody that can come to me truthfully with apology and say, I'm sorry. She was persuaded by the opposition. Can you imagine how her face felt when she get this lawsuit in the mail? When she got this lawsuit, can you imagine how she felt after getting this lawsuit in the mail? This motherfucker suing his kids. She probably said, what the fuck? Nah, hold up. You gonna sue my goddamn kids for their daddy legacy. You gonna sue my kids for their daddy legacy. Lord have mercy. You gonna sue my kids for their daddy legacy. So they had a lawyer that said, the lawyer, Mr. Burke, he even did a declaration. Now let's go over his declaration right now. Let's go over his declaration. Now y'all about to get to the good part. Hit the like button. So now, the same dude that said you came in and invested with me, right? You came in and invested with me, right? Look at this same dude right here and say you came in and invested with me. Now look at this. He said, I am attorney duly licensed to practice before the state of California. The facts within my personal knowledge, call as a witness. In the 2020, early 21, I represented Mr. Gray in connection with the negotiation and preparation of some complex transactional documents related to an investment he and his partners made through their respective companies in a warehouse. Known from that work, Accedent Robert Thornton Jr. was a principal involved in the investment, right? Was a principal involved in investment through the company in which he was the member and manager of Super Blue Hearts. was, among other things, one of the lenders. Now he's saying one of the lenders under the promissory note. This Mr. Gregory, lawyer. Attached Exhibit 1 is true, correct copy, January 8th, email exchange between multiple parties, including Mr. Thornton, who is referred to himself by his nickname Dolph. To finalize the details of this promissory note and to the documentation related to the subject property, Mr. Thornton's attorney, Danny Blank, whose email was blank, 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 was copied directly to this email in exchange with Mr. Thornton's email address, blank, blank, blank. All references to exhibit contained hereafter for these exhibits in opposition to the motion of Robert Thornton Jr. Actual copy of the email, wherein Mr. Thornton's attorney obtained Mr. Thornton's signature on the promissory note he signed. Attached Exhibit 3, true and correct, the promissory note, signed by Mr. Thornton, talking about on the behalf of Super Blue Heart. So they got the lawyer lying on the behalf. So attached Exhibit 4 is a true and correct copy of the email exchange, January 7th through February, various involving Mr. Thornton directly. Let me tell y'all something. It was an argument about this shit before Dolph died. Dolph would not take his name off this. And Dolph was killed. Dolph would not take his name off this shit. I believe, allegedly. Dolph, they wanted Dolph to sign over that shit. Dolph wouldn't sign over the shit. So, since Dolph didn't want to sign over that shit, they knocked him off. So, and I'm going to prove this right. Boy, ONAN is a bad motherfucker. Shut your mouth. ONAN, you a bad motherfucker, bro. And let me show you why I believe that. Let me show you why I believe this. So this was a contractual disagreement. This will give the motive, I believe, for Dolph murder. Them niggas was trying to get Dolph's name off the deed of that building. Off the deed. And Dolph wouldn't take his name off the deed of that building. So, since Dolph wouldn't take his name off the deed, this is what I believe happened. Oh, stand up, gang. Y'all motherfucker can't fuck with ONAN and the gang. Right now, Dolph wouldn't take his name off that shit. He would not take his name off that deed. Fatty Odom wanted his name off.
Metro the producer. Metro the producer.
All I had left to Mitch was a voice in my head saying that he was going to meet up with Rico that night.
Ivy? Good. You know I got all my niggas looking for the little nigga now, B. Sonny like my little brother too. Anything you need, let me know.
Look at baby, because I need your help, baby. I need you to help me sell these 14 keys.
Hit the like button, man. Let's go.
You got 14 bricks right there?
Yeah.
Put you a fake?
Yeah, man, but look, once we get my little brother back, man, we right the fuck back on, baby. We right the fuck back on once I get Sonny's home visit.
yo, hey. What up?
Oh, Lord, gang. Y'all motherfuckers share this shit, man. Oh, Lord, hold on.
Intro the producer.
I'm fucked up over this
Intro
shit
the
too, B.
producer.
Murder them niggas who did that shit to Mitch, B.
Trying to find out. Found any damn keys in that building with Mitch.
Keys?
Yeah, I gave Mitch a set of keys to get Sonny back, man. I know he had the fucking keys in there with him, man. Now, you know, I gotta get the money or the keys, man, to pay this connect back, man.
Yo, B, why you ain't call me on that shit, B? You knew I was the one with that nigga Mitch and made that shit happen.
I know, man. That's on me. I fucked up. Talked to Mitch yesterday.
I ain't talked to Mitch and see that nigga the whole goddamn day yesterday.
What happened in your face, man?
What?
I said, what happened in your face?
This shit. Fucking with this wild ass bitch last night. Nah, I played me.
Wow, boy, you wild motherfucker, man. Videotape that shit.
Think you know me and shit. I ain't take that shit last night, B.
Boy, ain't nobody fucking with us, boy. Y'all got us fucked up. Ain't nobody fucking with. Hey, listen, bro. This the game. Y'all niggas know I come with that heat, man. Listen, I'm gonna be laughing at these niggas. When they drop this indictment, I'm gonna be falling out. Because I know what it is. I done put A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P together. So you can't fuck with Q, R, S, T, U, V. You keep playing around, your ass gonna get W, X, Y, and Z out this bitch. We know what's going on. Yeah. This is what I don't get. All hail to the king. This was a contractual murder. Dolph ain't I want to sign over that shit. That's why they had that bullshit meeting at Rue Chris. They've been trying to get everything they could get out of Dolph before the murder went down. He wouldn't sign them shit. So they killed him. Them niggas wanted all the juice. He wanted all the juice. Ooh, Lord, I'm going to be the greatest blogger in the world after this shit. Y'all wait till this shit drop. We going to be the greatest. ONAN gang name going to be all over the world as the #1 fucking bloggers on the planet to solve the biggest goddamn cover-up murder in history. ONAN gang and the rest of these bloggers that played a part with us. We ain't going to leave everybody out because everybody had a part played. But, you know, the people that really wanted justice. But I'm going to tell y'all something. The notary, the girl at Chris, they've been trying to get all them signatures before they had off Dolph. But Dolph wouldn't sign it. So they had to kill him. When they kill him, they say, fuck it, you ain't going to sign it, we going to sue your people for it. After your ass dead. And they got Raven holding up the goddamn contract. Look at this. Defamation of character. Got a man right here with a gun pointed to his head. Inside, trick-or-treat video. And then these motherfuckers got the nerve to have the damn preacher, the damn head detective. Let me show y'all something, right? The head detective from Dolph murder. Standing over his body, preaching at his funeral. The head detective, Mr. Richardson, and Daddy. Right here, look at that shit. Why would Daddy be standing next to the head detective in Dolph casket. The head detective Caroline Mason's husband speaking at Dolph's funeral. And Daddy-O right there. Oh, man, stop, Daddy-O. Fatty-O. Fatty-O, you bastard. Fatty-O got the police speaking at Dolph burial. Why would you put the police on the pulpit to speak over this man's body that don't even fucking know him? This is what I don't get, like Jacques say. Yeah, this is what I don't get. Daddy-O, ain't you stayed on the same street with that lawyer, Kendall Nance? Ain't y'all grew up together? Why dog granny house in your name or hers? Why y'all using them people's address? Why dog got a phone in your name? Why y'all got joint accounts? Fatty-O was the beneficiary. And he trying to make sure he get everything. And I mean everything. And Key Glock done wake up and he know too. Key Glock ready to get the fuck off paper route because Key Glock know Fatty-O done crossed Dolph out. Key Glock know that. Them boys so scared right now. That's why Unc said that shit, because Unc ain't even know what's going on. Nobody know what's going on. Everybody confused. Because Fatty-O said, look, you open your mouth, your ass going up like Juck. Fatty-O, I believe Fatty-O the one sell Juck out. Because him and Juck like shooting dice together. Fatty-O connected to CMG. He's connected to CMG. They got the police right here. Caroline Mason's husband at the pulpit over Dolph's body. You know, a gold casket like this take weeks to come in. When Dolph died, them boy had the gold casket ready. A casket like this take weeks to come in. Months. And they already had it ready. So that's why they say the murder was planned from June to March, because they had already ordered the casket before the murder. Now check this out. The most important thing you got to watch is ONAN TV. In the video, this is what the officer said over the case.
So if you ever see
Play out.
yeah,
They make
as a shooter, this is
there's a lot of things from the investigation that haven't been revealed, and they make the news.
A lot of things from the investigation have been revealed. Didn't make the news.
But I promise you this.
I promise you,
I
ONAN.
promise you, if you stay tuned for the next season, you're gonna see the entire result play out.
Or you promised me this, so I'm going to hold you to this promise.
yeah, and guess what? I've been a big part of helping you.
I know, and I appreciate you.
I've been
and I can see how serving you are.
I'm amazed.
Because paying attention to that disability is very big. I didn't notice that. Thank you.
He's standing on his tippy toes. So his name is Tadarius Mason. And
AKA
He even give him a nickname.
AKA the pigeon.
I call him Tippy Toe. The police call him the pigeon.
I guess.
I call him
He acknowledged the third fake shooter.
Tippy Toe, but guess who he's related to?
Ooh.
His girlfriend is the one that drive the Altima that was at the cookie
Look at Raven, I'm watching the video.
shop. She's a witness. This is her boyfriend, her baby's daddy.
Oh, wow.
That's why he's standing there on the scene with Maurice, because his girlfriend works in the store and you guys towed his girlfriend's car.
So you know that. Okay.
Which is his car.
He said,
Okay.
okay. I ain't, and you ain't disputing it. You ain't disputing it. But I want y'all to see one thing. When you look in this picture right here, look at Tippy Toe right here. in the shadows. Look at tippy toe right here in the shadows. Look at tippy toe in the shadows right here. To the left side of the screen, you can see tippy toe here. And you see 2 doors of the cookie shop. Look at this. Look. It's right here.
Mr. Riaz, you don't have a clue who you're talking to. But I'm going to tell you.
I know. I told you we were playing Clue.
No, we ain't playing no clue. We playing the truth.
See? So I have a clue. You're giving me all the clues.
Okay.
So I missed the clue himself.
The police say, ONAN, and you missed the clue himself.
But listen, Mr. Riaz, that makes a 3rd shooter. If you got 2.
Watch how this man stutter when I say 3rd shooter.
And you got tippy toe, that makes number 3.
Hey man, listen, I really appreciate you looking out for this, but there's some facts that you have.
There's some facts that
that haven't been made. There's some real facts that have
haven't been made.
been made public, and I could see, not knowing all the facts, how you could come to this conclusion.
Yeah, them 3 niggas on that roof, not knowing the facts.
Okay, so
So that's the big part, right? So, you know, and me having all the facts.
The police say me having all the facts. So they know who killed Dolph, and they know how it happened. Thanks to ONAN in the game. Me having all the facts. The police say they got all the facts.
And getting more and more.
And getting more and more facts.
Facts, then, you know, I'm kind of comfortable.
Kind of comfortable what?
With what we've done. But I see your point because you don't have all the facts.
So when I point out the 3rd shooter, he said, I see your point, but you don't got all the facts on there. And I see why you say that, but you don't got all the facts because that shit ain't real.
If you had all the facts,
if you had all the facts,
if I was to sit here
and
explain something
and explain this shit to you, ONAN, it'll make sense.
It will make.
So I'm telling you the shit ain't happened like what they say happened.
Sense to you.
yeah, it doesn't.
You gotta trust that we
trust us.
We're doing a great job of this and every murder.
And Mr. Friends, I know, listen, I'm not here to figure out what's going on. I'm here to give you information that I think that you may or may not know.
And I see that, and I see what you're saying.
I'm not here to get no information out of you. I'm not here.
Yeah. No, I got you, and I respect that, and I appreciate you for not doing that.
Yeah, I don't want to know. All I want to do.
Yeah, but I'm telling you, listen.
But I'm telling you, ONAN, just listen.
If you wait and let some facts play out.
If you wait and let some facts play out.
You're gonna be like, oh, okay.
Oh, okay.
That's what he was talking about.
Bullshit, I already got it.
Okay.
Give it. I think they set a trial date. When is it, for June?
Well, let me tell you something. With the trial date, they severed these shooters, which means they're saying Straight Drop going to court in June. Cornelius supposed to go in March, but I guess he's going with him in June. Govan isn't going. Who knows what's going on with that situation? I don't really know. But what I can tell you is this. What I can tell you is this. That deformity, which you see on that tippy toe, makes a 3rd shooter.
3rd shooter. Watch this.
Okay.
Okay.
That makes
I see what you're talking about.
I see what you're talking about.
And
so this dude never made it on the news. But the police say, I see what you're talking about. So why this dude ain't never make it on the news? Because of Jeremy. That same dude up in his bar, he said, I see what you talk about, right? Because of Jeremy. Now watch this.
An important clue. Take away the life.
We have new the two
Dig with why
first-degree murder and conspiracy to commit first-degree murder charges. Now, the big thing here is that conspiracy charge. Last night, District Attorney Steve Morward confirms his team believes Govan asked for Dolph to be killed. According to the document,
Daryl Govan asked for Dolph to be killed. Bullshit.
I got my hands on, these charges go back earlier than Dolph's death. We're talking about several
Earlier, which is June.
months before the rapper's death. June to be specific.
So he got the June indictment.
During that time, investigators believe suspects in custody came together and developed a plan to murder young Dolph. That murder happened November 17th of last year. Two other men, Justin Johnson, also known as Straight Drop, and Cornelius Smith, have been in jail for months charged with the murder. According to online court documents, Govan's last known address is
Govan
in the
ain't no
1100
mastermind.
block of Bradley in Orange Mound. That sounds familiar? Let me tell you why. That's the same block where police found the white Mercedes-Benz. They sources say Govan should be in court sometime or
Oxertine broke criminal pact money. Back to the early nicing of thin cell, one cell, bar 3, working to possess Govan. He was charged 2008 possession of a controlled substance.
Look at this.
And pled guilty. And in April 2008, pled guilty to aggravated assault. Govan was.
All right, so you see, I think it's Wu and Snoop Band's here with the pants. This is what Rose Gold was talking about. You see these pants right here? The drawers here. Below the waist right. Pants. Then he got on flip-flops here. Pants and flip-flops. Here. But Rose Gold, you ain't talk about this. These black drawers on this nigga. The same drawers on this nigga with the cut down the middle. Look at the underwear on Wu. We ain't worried about this. And Treon is not this height, Rose Gold. I'm going to show y'all how tall Treon is. Look at that right there. Black drawers in this video, black. Because the black is gray. So, the shooter had on black drawers. Everybody agree with that? Give me a thumbs up. The shooter had on black drawers. Everybody agree with me? The shooter had on black underwear. Who all agree with that? Give me a thumbs up. Pants down to the ass. Shooter had on black underwear. Thank you, DG, for the super sticker. You right. Y'all see that? Who all agree with that? Black underwear. Right? All right. Look at this. Black underwear on Snoop. I mean on Woo. Now is that Woo with the cause Woo should be taller than Snoop, man. So is that Woo? Right. I just want to know. Anybody tell me, is this Woo right? Because we saw Woo on something different when he was by the news people. He had on a hoodie and some shit. So is this Woo right here? Anybody know if this Woo with this tank top on and the black drawers? But this black drawers nigga right here, this your shooter right here. He had on a black hoodie when he walked through the news with them people. You know what I'm saying? T-Money said no. He wasn't, that is. So who this dude is with the tank top on?
Then sentenced to 3.
Who this dude is with his tank top on? With these black drawers on? No, Woo about 6 foot fucking something. Woo taller than Snoop. But who this dude is right here? That's your shooter right there. At least he got on the pants, sagging like that is a habit. Snoop got his pants the same way. Woo is tall. Woo is taller than Snoop bands. So whoever this dude is, I don't know. Let's
3 years behind bars.
Then this dude got on flip flop.
And then he was charged with aggravated assault. We're told this happened beating up his former partner, but to a rapper.
To be specific, during that time, investigators believe suspects in custody came together and
So Woo walked in front of the news camera.
We still have a little, you can be side of now, but barricade. No, they're anybody standing around, but
Now this what Dolph family been at. Over there. Cadillac. Now a lot of people want to say this Mia, right here. Somebody said that this was Mia in the red pants. I don't know. I don't believe that. But all Dolph family was over here. Who all believe that right there?
Comes to give to people where he saw that there was great need in the Castalia Heights.
Is that Mia in the red? Is that Mia?
community of South Memphis.
Indeed, and according to the
Is that Mia?
New York Times, he
right up the street. Matter of fact, I met him there. I ate there plenty of times. I met him there. We talked in there, and he had left, and that was it.
So you met him at Makeda's?
Mm-hmm, Makeda's.
You love that place?
He loved that place. Every time he come to Memphis, that's where he go, Makeda. Every time he drop to Memphis, he go to Makeda. He makes sure he stop there. Yeah. So he just
through why
to the people too.
Just so you know, here along Airways Boulevard.
A lot of people saying that this girl in the red is Mia.
It is a lot of traffic. Got here on the scene. I ran into one of the.
He said, "It's time to ring the alarm. Let's unite our community and let's unite the leadership and try and brainstorm and come together." He said both of the
Sticks with place, including
the pandemic gateway.
There have been no condolences to the family and loved ones of young condolences to Representative Young Dolph personally. Just so we don't have any more, we're going to take a break for right now on the tweets. I'm going to send it back to Joe and Kanji, but there are others who have expressed their condolences and also called for peace in Memphis while Young Dolph's shooting is investigated. Joe, Kanji, back over to you.
Thank you, Joyce.
All right, now we are going to turn it over to our Kelly Cook. She is live there on the scene. Kelly, what are you hearing?
Angie, it's been hours since this occurred, and people are still lining the streets, just trying to see the very latest and get more information. As my colleague Kelly Roberts has said, there are a lot of fans out here and also a lot of people who knew Young Dolph personally. Just so you can kind of see, we can get a bit of a glance here.
Is that Mia?
Right at the gas station across the street at the Church's Chicken and another restaurant. They are literally lining the street with Memphis police cars, as well as people here just trying to get the very latest information. Well, earlier this evening, when I first got here on the scene, I ran into one of
You got kids in the yellow tee.
The employees for Makeda's. I also spoke to the mother, the woman who owns Makeda's as well. She did not want to go on camera, but her daughter did want to speak to me. She described Young Dolph as somebody that came by the shop quite often. He was a big fan of their chocolate chip cookies and ice cream. That was his go-to order, and says that it was just a shock, and her prayers goes to the family. This is what she had to say to me earlier today.
I wasn't in the store. We just basically, we just got a phone call from my dad. He was in the store. He's one of the owners. And he just told us that somebody was shot. We didn't know who it was at first, you know. We was just like, okay, I thought it was, one of the employees. So we was kind of distraught at the time. But, we heard my cousin in the background, he just, it's like, man, he gone, somebody shot him.
This motherfucker said she ain't saying none of this. She said this was a mistake.
He gone, and I'm like, who gone? We just trying to figure out what was going on. And then you can hear my dad.
This girl lied and said this was a mistake.
And, he was just like, stay with me, dog. Just stay with me, bro. He kept saying it. So that's when we was like, okay.
Stay with me, bro.
It was Dolph. So it was kind of.
Her daddy been in the shop.
It was real fake.
Her daddy been in the shop. 613 on the board. Her daddy been in the shop. And she lied and said he ain't been. Y'all go ahead and get her ass for lying. I'm gonna let y'all see whatever y'all want to see in the box. Do not make no threats. Y'all get her ass for lying. This motherfucker's a liar. Get her now for lying. And why she so quiet now? get her for lying. OTG. Y'all can call her wherever y'all want to call her. Just don't make no threats. Look at this big lion, hippopotamus, elephant, giraffe neck, no neck ass, motherfucker.
He said it was my dad was just like, he was real fast.
It was real fast.
It was a real
fast.
Quick situation. So
quick situation.
We real hurt by it.
Your daddy been there.
You
try to pull your daddy out that show. You try to pull your daddy, closing your eyes to tell a lie. You pull your daddy out the show. Ain't this a bitch? We sitting here watching the biggest liar in the world. Closing her eyes to tell us lie.
He was a real, good dude. He came to the store all the time.
You post him up a week before you come.
When he was in Memphis, McHugh's was one of his stops, So it's really tearing us down a little bit. We just
tearing us down.
We pray for the
your sister ain't even there.
Family, it's a senseless tragedy.
Nobody wants y'all prayer.
We just really want them to know that we back 100%, and we just really want, we really just wish this would just stop. This is just too much.
That lady, we really just wish this stop. It was just too much. We really just wish this stop. It was just too much. We can't deal with this. But then the old white lady said, y'all some damn killers.
No, you did. Listen, look at her. Look at that mean. Look at that mean look on her face. Oh my God. Let me stand away from her. That's some evil energy, y'all. Look at her. We play her every other. Asshole mean. It's me. Oh my 24. There you go. Come on. Come on.
Your mama owe me money.
We're gonna call Zach.
We're gonna call Zach Unc for that.
We're gonna call Zach
Unc. That's the Unc right there. That's the real Unc.
For that. Here we go.
Your mama's money hungry.
Honey hungry, see? There she goes. She lets you know she's not from America right there. She's hungry money. Okay.
Killing people.
Okay. There she is. Y'all got her? She don't respect our business. She don't respect our product. She don't respect.
Ladies say y'all killing people. Look.
Y'all heard her. We'll be at her march, and we would. It's up. Matamidi, she's a racist, and you should not try to lease from her at all. Mayor Strickland.
Mayor Strickland.
Downtown neighborhood in the downtown. Look at her, y'all. Yes. Look at her. Yes. I just wanted y'all to see her.
Y'all killing people. The old lady said, y'all killing people. Look.
I just wanted you to see her. I just wanted y'all to see her. I just see her. I y'all to 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 see her.
Ladies say y'all killing people, bro. And Tamika ain't show up to that murder scene. Now let's go back to the paperwork. Y'all ready? Y'all ready for the paperwork? Now, the lady say y'all killing people. Now, the lawyer saying, Y'all killing people. The 212-page document is going to be on Patreon. We're going to put that on Patreon because it's too much to put on YouTube. And once we put that up, there's going to be problems with certain people. So we're going to put the 212-page document on Patreon. And I might go do a live on it tonight. I don't know what. I'm checking it out now. Let me see something. Let me show y'all one thing right now. Let me see what page it's on. Young Dolph. Let me see what page it's on right now. I'm going to show y'all one page out of the 212 document. One page out this before I get the hell up out of here. God damn, that's a lot of pages. Fuck! I got content for a million fucking years. A million fucking years. Alright, let's go right here. Million fucking years. Look. Right here. This is what Daddy and them trying to do. Super Blue Heart. Adolph Thornton. Then Rita name. They say Dolph is the chief executive on this, and they lying, telling me he's the manager. Chief executive. And they trying to lie and say, oh, he's a manager. Bullshit, he ain't no fucking manager. Rita X. Myers is a member. Adolph Thornton is the chief executive. And Daddy, right here, is just on there. Not even as a member. No, he's just on there as a member. It's Dolph name. January 5. They wanted Dolph to sign this shit off to them. They wanted Dolph to sign off this property to them. And this is the motive, I believe, behind Dolph's death. I believe behind Dolph's death is this motive. I love y'all, gang. And we're going to continue this tomorrow on YouTube and Patreon. But I believe that this was the motive behind Adolph Thornton assassination. his money, his power, his bag, his everything. His own homie and his own crew wanted him crossed up. Legend.
Metro the producer. Metro the producer.
All I had left to Mitch was a voice in my head saying that he was going to meet up with Rico that night.
I get good. You know I got all my niggas looking for the little nigga now, B. Sonny like my little brother too. Anything you need, let me know. Look at baby, cause I need your help, man. I need your help to sell this 14 so I can get this ransom money for Sonny, man. You got 14 bricks right there? Put you a fake? Yeah, man, but look, once we get my little brother back, right the fuck back on, baby. Right the fuck back on.
Me and Jay, gang, let's go, man. Y'all, time for y'all to tap in right now, man. Hit that cash app, hit that motherfucking subscribe button, hit that like button, man. Hit them goddamn super stickers, man. I'm put my cash app on the board, man. This paperwork costs money, man. Y'all motherfuckers show y'all appreciation, man. Let's go, gang. I dig into my own money for this shit, man.
I don't fuck with these niggas cause they shady. These bitches, they just wanna have my baby. These bitches, they just wanna have my baby. Born in the 80s, crack baby. Mama, she was in it. It's all me at the top. The realest advice I can give you is to never stop. They ask me for the key because I got this shit on lock. Me and 40 bad bitches smoking on the yacht. I'm programmed to get money every day like a robot. I know you think I'm fucking with these bitches, but I'm not. Nah, little mama, I'm not. Ever since a minor, I've been all about my business. He's just a young nigga, just a rich nigga. He's just a rich nigga. $250,000 on a rich nigga. He don't do all that click hopping. Nah, I don't switch niggas. This shit come too fast. Yeah, new coupe paper tags. Yeah, skip English class. Yeah, but went to math. Yeah, went by my sister a Benz. Went by my mama a crib. By my dad another Rollie. Independent but he close. How the fuck did he do it? Front a nigga 33 pounds and name him Patrick Ewing. Yeah, don't ask me how I'm doing. All this Eliante on me, how I'm doing. All this Eliante on me, nigga, you know I'm coolin'. Nigga, you know I'm coolin'. On me, nigga, you know I'm coolin'. Ain't no money, I ain't moving. Can't talk right now, baby girl, I'm hot. On me, nigga, you know I'm coolin'. Ain't no money, I ain't moving. Can't talk right now, baby girl, I'm hot. Bustin' them millions with my guys.
Good. You know I got all my niggas looking for the little nigga now. Something like my little brother too. Anything you need, let me know. You got 14 bricks right there?
There's some rubber bands about it too.
Put you a fake?
Yeah, man, but look, B. Once we get my little brother back, man, we right the fuck back on, baby. We right the fuck back on once I get something.
3 p.m. 80 degrees outside.
All I had left to Mitch.
I'm in something go real fast, sitting outside the corner store. 6-figure car ain't got no business in this area. If it ain't one thing, it's a motherfucking another. Damn, trapped together, then that's my motherfucking brother. That's my dog. I pay her bills and buy designer, but I don't love her. What you need, little mama? She just play a part when it's time to smoke. Hey, you ready? So I pull up, pick up that bag and burn rust. I got a sweet rust. Rust. I nigga burn rust. by the screaming gang, 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 by the screaming gang, 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 gang. If folks come and get you, you go tell on the whole gang, gang. Long did we was down for so long, didn't have no choice but to go up.
Saying that he was gonna meet up with Rico that night.
Should drop the top so I can let them see the ice, right? I should drop the top so I don't sing right. It's a green light. It's a green light. A coat, nigga, 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 it's a green light. Everything'll go, nigga, it's a green light. Everything'll go, nigga, it's a green light. Everything'll go, baby, it's a green light. I looked in my review, something don't seem right. I should drop the top so I can let them see the ice. I let her jump on and ride it like a Harley bike. Everything'll go, nigga, it's a green light. I'm a fool, but a nigga still hungry though. Told my nigga stack your paper, bitch, come and go. Bad bitch, super ratchet when she on the road. He just got a dub, say he need 20 more. 80 liters of gas, I just got a box. Cut it open, take it straight to the block. Give me a week and I'ma turn it to a drop. The type of nigga.
Knowing that I can't get you in. Family, the same like it.
Intro the producer.
And I'm actually gonna get right into it. They really wanna know how. You know, how can I blaze my own path? How can I be successful? How can I follow the path?
He's like that, stuff to $500,000 in my grandma deep freezer. Listen to driveway, blizzard and pain.
Sitting on deuces while the blood burn.
Who's that?
Still raping rap music cause I want
more. Walk in and fuck it up like a train.
Money, yeah, and it's just us four. It's just copy, it's just hoggy, it's just rip-off. It's just Adam, it's just Black Salmon, both the fats. Where your 600 beers, where your Rovers at? Where your Cuban legs, nigga, where your rollies at? Where your big booty bad bitch stack with posters at? Where you hustle, where you run from the police at? Where you have to represent at hope, where the hopeless at? Where you had to take an oath for you sold the sack. Dealt with all the pressure, played it like you never noticed that. Amongst it all, put yourself on the map. Turn it to a booming operation, where your focus at? Where your 600 bins, where your Rovers at? Where your Cuban leg, nigga, where your rollie at? I would rather shoot before I run. Pressure on my shoulder when it's done. You should try and do what we done.
Should drop the top so I can let them see the
When you make it to beat, and mom is a rider, the game while she out and won't go beside her. Then I spit some game in the end, go to the telly, ho. You broke with money in a bin, this bitch and belly broke, go to the telly, ho. Then I spit some game in the end, go to the telly, ho. 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 Money in a bin, this bitch and belly broke. Broke with money in a bin, this bitch and belly broke. Money in a bin, this bitch and belly broke. I'm smoking bomb ass weed, feeling crucial. From player to player, the gang tonight, feeling broke. From in the braids. To begging motherfuckers to pay. I got no time for these bitches, cause they so hard to play. I'm on a meal, ticket mission, want a meal. Someone wishing competition got me flipped. On that bullshit they stressing. I'm around, no clown hoes like it's mandatory. No plus, no glory, my nigga, I got the game started. Now it's on in the zone because I said so. You trust the bitch in the business, so I got with them, bro. Now it's money, hungry bitches getting suspended. Started blocking and planning on the scheme to come and trick us. But thug niggas be on point and gang tight. We like them bogarts dressed at the same night.
All I had left to miss was his voice in my head, saying that he was gonna meet up with Rico that night.
I cannot take you serious. They said them pussy niggas on your team earn your draw. They say you make them pussy ass niggas call you boss. On your team earn your draw. They say you make them pussy ass niggas call you boss. But they can't call you king.
Cause that's old.
I can't drink out that 2 liter. Because that's raw. Drink out that 2 liter. Because that's raw. Drink out that 2 liter. Because that's raw. 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 2 liter. Because that's raw. 2 liter. Because that's raw. The streets hour. New 488 came with a lot of power. My little niggas begging to let those sisters scatter shout. Those sisters scatter shout. Begging to let 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 those. They came with a lot of power. My little niggas begging to let those sisters scatter shout. Power. My little niggas begging to let those sisters scatter shout. Don't play with me. Play with your bitch. Don't play with me. Don't play with me. Don't play with me. Better shout. Don't play with me. Better shout. Don't play with. Better shout. Don't play with me. Play with your bitch. Matter of fact, when I fucked her, she told me you a bitch. And tell that old nigga from my hood with you that he a bitch. You make the city look bad, that's the truth. Nigga, I be in North Memphis more than you.
He's bumping in my trunk, detachable FaceTime, then I turn it in. 7 G's in my pocket, black got a big
Betrayal producer.
like that. Keep on hustling in it, black got a big.
All I had left to miss was his voice in my head, saying that he was gonna meet up with Rico that night.
Didn't want to admit, man. Didn't want to admit, man. Let's go get. Let's go get.
14 keys so I can get this ransom money for Sonny, man.
I pop one in the legs like that I like dipping on some Alizé. That thing's no go and pop the trunk and put the pump in the plastic. Make my nigga lay no go and pop the trunk and put the pump in the plastic bag. Buried in the yard of the house that my father had. Plastic bag buried in the yard of the house that my father had. To peel some caps, I pop one in the leg, slice the other with a knife. I don't care about spirits haunting me, me, I still be smoking Blunt Street. The other robber, Graham, tiptoe crossed them out the car. They got us stuck between trucks. They done went too damn far. He grabbed tiptoe by the head, put the pistol to his face. I act like I ain't killed a damn. Still in one place. Then I punish.
Yeah, to be smoke like song. Be up for them fuck nigga ass.
Mitchell the producer.
What's me do the kids so it really ain't my fault, man. 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 See, I gotta shine, man. Don't you even try, man. Enemies gon' be once I let these bullets fly, man. I'm up on the line, man. I like to get high, man. Niggas better play slow, line after line, man. I guess I shot my first 20 people, man. Play with your bitch, man. Put that off my hand, man. Get out on the grind, man. Watching for the kids, spitting haters, that give me some real. Better than your dick, but you my real kid. That give me some real. Better than your dick, but you my dick, but you my real. Than your dick, but you my real. Than your dick, but you my real. Than your dick, but you my real. Gun on my hip, rocks in my saw, pocket full of chips, watching for the pigs, spitting haters, pig, jacking me some mission, player can get a dick, haters like me, we don't play up, twisted in the bullshit up, again, spit up.
What's the motherfucking deal? I'm trying to tell you, it's hard not to kill you chicken head assholes talking all that motherfucking shit. But then that's all good. I done caught a few charges. I ain't scared to catch some more. You hear me, bitch? Come to my motherfucking door. Cluck my home. Cluck your motherfucking belt. I'm the girl about the cash. I'm the your motherfucking belt. I'm to catch some more. You hear me, bitch? Come to my motherfucking door. Cluck my home. Cluck your motherfucking belt. Catch some more. You hear me, bitch? Come to my motherfucking door. Cluck my home. Cluck your motherfucking belt. I'm the girl. I'm the one who got their back. I'm the one they call Miss Lady Gangsta, sweep you off the bed, doing gangsta stuff. Yeah, sitting up in the beamer chair, gangsta like the fuck. Yeah, 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 gangsta like the fuck. Gangsta like the fuck, gangsta like the fuck, gangsta like the fuck. Yeah, later let me know what's up. Marching and stepping, I got the bullets. I'm gonna use them. Professional slinger, I'm not strong. You hear me, bitch? I'm out the motherfucker. I'm packing the weapon, committed, stepping up to your face. As I hope you would die. I'm just a leader without a trace. If it's annotate, handle the Mrs. Gangsta is got a bitch. I ain't calling it done, and I thought you hoes knew what time it is. When you see me, you know. When you see me, you know. Knew what time it is. When you see me, you know.
That's what she is.
Fucking face, I'm fiending to increase my high. I fiending to increase my high. 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 I've always like that. It's still these bitches that recognize. Ass to my fucking face, I'm fiending to increase my high.
That's what she is. That's what she is.
Ass to my fucking face, I'm ass to my fucking face. Ass to my fucking face, ass to my fucking face, I'm fiending to increase my high, fiending to increase my high, I'm fiending to increase my high. I've always like that, it's still these bitches that recognize, that recognize, that recognize, that recognize, that recognize.
serpent. Yeah, that's the shit. Yeah, that's the shit. Yeah, that's the shit.
Fucking face, I'm fiending to increase my high. Face, I'm fiending to increase my high. Face, I'm fiending to increase
Rest in peace, gangsta boom, man.
Face, I'm fiending.
Rest in peace, young dog.
Face, I'm fiending. Face, I'm fiending. Face, I'm fiending. Fiending to
You got 14 bricks right there?
to increase my high. My fucking face, I'm fiending. Fucking face, I'm fiending to increase to my fucking face, I'm fiending to increase my high. All things like red. Fucking face, I'm fiending to increase my high.
Fucking ink and serpent. Yeah, that's the shit. 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 Yeah, that's the shit.
Ass to my fucking face, I'm fiending to increase my high. Eyeballs is like red, it's till these bitches that are recognize. Ass to my fucking face, ass to my fucking face, I'm that record. Get a leaf cigar, I don't.
Hey, yo, hey.
Every stranded, oh no, wait for me. Player, get your car key, get all your clothes too. Man, this means you got a new man.
Intro the producer.
I fucked up over this shit too, B. Murder them niggas who did that shit.
That you are, get out. Tell night.
Keys in that building.
There's nothing I see.
Yeah, I gave you 7 keys in your son right now. I know he had the fucking keys in there with him, man. I gotta get the money. All the keys, man. Pay this connect back, man. Why you ain't call me that shit, B? You know I really want that nigga makes me make that shit happen. I know you. You know, man. That's on me. I fucked up.
Carnival in heaven from the block with your 7-carat rock. Give it to me, don't stop. I keep falling.
Then I got stuck half bad by living up home. Bad by living up home.
It's way to meet the strippers to get the double black for the mirror. I scuffs when the mirror. To meet the strippers to get the double black for the mirror. I scuffs when this shit is creeper. Meet the strippers to get the double black with the creeper. Meet the strippers to get the double black for the mirror. Easy. We're slinging, we're fucking, we're bang on the club and my nigga this day. On the club and my nigga this day. We're slinging, we're fucking, we're bang on the club and my nigga this day.
Barrels of me talking, John empty, Miss Candace, niggas so bad, was fucking no fucking with the family, with the family. This nigga so bad, was fucking no fucking with the family. Feel a nigga understand me, much love, much but.
Yeah, man, but look, once we get my little brother back, right the fuck back, baby.
Asian wild bus, cold ass, clean up, worse. Holler my back on me, nigga, you better not affect a little nigga with my fucking nigga tip to arrest me, stress me, no, looking at the best of your strap, nigga. Motherfucking hands on your strap, nigga. Motherfucking hands on your strap, nigga. Yeah, we can do this like gangsters and slug it out. We can do this like punks and punkin' out. Do this like punks and punkin' out. Pull your strap on, nigga, you better kill me. Thug life, baby. Thug life. I'll probably be punished for hard living, life, baby.
Hey, yo, hey.
I'll probably be punished, baby. I'll probably be punished, baby. I'll probably be punished, life, baby. I'll probably be punished for hard living. Blind to the facts, thugs is convicts in God's prison. Hands on the strap, praying so Father, please forgive me. Police be rushing when they see me, I flaunt it. America's most wanted, America's most wanted, America's most wanted, America's most wanted, America's most
girls want it live on TV like pleasure and pain. On TV like pleasure and pain. Stuck in this game, holler my name. We all gon' die, we bleed. Similar vein. All gon' die, gon' die, gon' die. We bleed, we bleed, we bleed. Holler my name. We all gon' die, we all gon' die, all gon' die. My name. We all gon' die, we all gon' die, we all gon' die, all gon' die. We bleed, we all gon' die, we bleed. Similar veins, please explain to me now. Don't panic when my guns burst. You heard the last jam, nigga. This one's worse. My nigga Bone held the chrome till I came home. Thug love, play thug love.
All I had left to miss was the voice in my head. Saying, you told me I'm weak.
Tell these bitch niggas bring it on. I caught a plane out to Cleveland late last evening. Niggas bring it on. I caught a plane out to Cleveland late last evening. Niggas bring it on. I caught a plane out to Cleveland late last evening to help my niggas clean up some niggas no longer breathing. Some niggas no longer breathing. Some niggas no longer breathing now. Who do you believe in? Get the weed, cold ass words, niggas. Sleep, watch me until they stop me, murder me or drop me. I got thug love for my nation while I posse feel me. Armed and dangerous,
Armed and dangerous. Armed and dangerous.
Betrayal the producer.
Armed and dangerous. Ain't too many can bang with us. Straight up, we no angel dust. Label us notorious. Thug ass niggas that love the bus. It's strange to us. Y'all niggas be scrambling, gambling. I mess rock with mandolins and violins. We just sitting here trying to win, trying not to sin. High off weed and oxygen. So much smoke, need oxygen. Steadily counting them Benjamins, nigga. So much smoke, need oxygen. Steadily counting them Benjamins, nigga. You should too if you knew what this game would do to you. Been in this shit since '92. Look at all the bullshit I've been through. What this game would do to you. Been in this shit since '92. Look at all the bullshit I've been through. So-called beef with you know who. Fucked a few female stars or two. Then I blew like niggas blew like my shit. Not to be fucked with the two. Then I blew like niggas blew like my shit. Not to be fucked with your game. Fuck your shit. Grab your gap for your clicks. Grab your gap for your clicks. Fuck your shit. Grab your gap for your clicks. Squeeze your clip. Hit the right one. Pass that weed. I got to like one. All them niggas I got to fight one. All them hoes I got to like one. Our situation is type one. What you gonna do? Fight or run? Situation is type one. What you gonna do? Fight or run? Seems to me that you take these. So the big situation is type one. What you gonna do? Fight or run? Seems to me that you take these. On the big nigga die so lead. I'ma tell you like they told me. Cash on everything around me. Shit. Lyrically, niggas can't see me. Everything around me. Shit. Lyrically, niggas can't see me. Fuck it. Ride it through, coke, cut it. Throw the bitch, boy, call yourself loving it. Nigga with a bench fucking it. Doesn't it seem on to you? We come through with marks and crews. Good fellas down to the mucked up doom. Who's the killer? Me or you? Who's good fellas down to the mucked up doom? Who's the killer? Me or you? Who's good fellas down to the mucked up doom? Who's the killer? Me or you?
We forgive you for you know what you do.
Betrayal the producer.
70